Hello everybody. In this short video, I'm going to talk about customizing your Google and Google Classroom user experience. The first thing I'm going to do is head over to the app launcher. It's always located in the top right hand corner of the screen. It's these 9 squares. Sometimes they're circles. When you hover over it, it says Google Apps, and when you click, a window will open with all your Google apps. And there's a lot of them in here. Now this window is fully rearrangeable and customizable. So the apps I use the most, I might want at the top of the screen. So when I click on this and open these apps up, I don't have to look for anything. Classroom's one I always use daily. It's the first site I go to. So I'm going to want to put that first. All you have to do is click, hold, drag, and drop. I'll do it again. Here's YouTube, another app I use quite frequently. All I have to do is click, hold, drag, and drop, and I can place it wherever I want. Maybe I check my mail after I visit my classroom. I click hold, drag and drop, and that's how you rearrange these. Now whatever setup you do here, it'll be the same no matter what Google page you go to. So if I head over to my classroom and I click on the app launcher, it's set up exactly the same as I just did. So whatever the arrangement you do here, it'll be the same no matter what site you go to. The same thing can happen in your Google Classroom. All these classroom cards are movable and rearrangeable. So if I want this class to be first, all I have to do is click, hold, and drag and drop to where I want it to go. And this arrangement also pops up in your menu. So whatever's first here, it says Faraday 8. When I click on my menu, Faraday 8 will be here. If I click, hold, drag, and drop, and move Picket 8 to the second spot, when I go to my menu, Picket 8 will be in the second spot. So you can customize these Google Classroom cards any way you like. The same goes for the apps in the app launcher. The idea is to customize these in a way that's efficient for you as a user. I hope these tips help, and good luck. Please remember to like and subscribe my channel.